Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 6th, 2021. We're here to give you all a price prediction update in the market for APXT. I'm going to give you all a heads up as to what we're seeing on the price chart, all without being confused, so we can get in position so that we can so that we can predict, profit, and win. This is something that we are able to do to have a competitive advantage over everyone else who participates in the stock market. Is our capability to call the market and predict where prices are going to go. So if that sounds interesting to you and this is your first time ever viewing our videos, make sure before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. Tap that bell notification as well in order for you all to continue to see our price predictions that we are garnering within the stock market, all without being confused. So now, first thing I wanted to also show you is our three options that we got ongoing on our Thinkorswim platform. This is paper trade. This is not our actual account. So I just wanted to give you all the preference and the ability to see that you can also dibble and dabble in the options market simply by understanding the call of the market. So you guys can see we got three of them. We got a call spread going on into the market for JinkoSolar Holdings, to which we are seeing the market in profit right now. So today we're going to try to take that $27.50 out the market and put it into our account. And then we got two other Rite Aid. Right now we're down $102 with 24 days left till expiration of that put option. And then we have 45 days left for this call option that we bought, and we're down $100 on that one there. So we still got a time, for those two other options to play out before today. We're going to try to take out this call spread right here into the market for JinkoSolar Holdings and try to bag that $27.50 in the market, because we only have 10 days left. And one thing you do not do in options is let the options expire, because you increase your chances of getting assigned, especially if you sell either a put or a call. The ability to get assigned is increasing on that day of expiration. So to eliminate that, you just simply get out the trade way before option expiration. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back to APXT real quick. You guys can see right here that we did a price prediction into the market in APXT on the 19th of March or the 22nd of March, and we expected the price to go lower in price, and that is precisely what the trap did. He lowered the value of this particular stock, so we wasn't surprised to see the market in APXT go lower. And we've even identified the top that came in, or the high that came in on September 22nd, 2020. The market needed to keep price above that. As you all can tell, the last 3 or 4 days, the market hasn't even done it. So that even gives it more credibility that the market in APXT is not that strong, right? If anything, we can still see the market maintain its sideways trading to where we can actually see a small bump to higher price movement. But first, let's take this away. Congratulations to those who was able to get that 7.64% out the market. First thing we want to do is clean up this chart. We're not about the confusion. So these two lines here, one of them is not even applicable. So we're going to get rid of it. And it is this one right here around $14 or $13.75. APXT is down there at 11. So we don't need to keep that line there. So let's go ahead and take that out right there. And obviously you guys can see how the market in APXT may be actually trying to hold a trend, right? Could this be the trend into the market in APXT? That is the question that I am proposing to each and every one of you who watches this video. Do you think that this is the trend into the market in APXT? Let's find out. Let's look at this on a 2-day time frame. Because over the last 2 days, the market weakness is really waning. Like, the market is drying up. The volume has been on a decrease. We fell off in volume over the last couple of 2-day price bars than what we've seen recently when the market was trading around $16.50, $17. We're not seeing that volume anymore. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? What about on the 3-day time frame? The market here is still giving us some weakness. The only good thing that I can see is how this market in Plug Power is holding this area as support. $10 or $11.09 right there. Now, we cannot break that. Okay. We break $11.09 to the downside. I'm telling you now, we're going to see the market in plug power come all the way back down to $10.76, even $10.50. All right. I'm telling you that right now. So what we're getting on the 5-day time frame is still showing us that the market is weak. We need to see some strength. We need to see some interest to push the price higher in APXT. And as of this moment, it is not here. So we're going to play the weakness in the market in APXT until we see the price break up above $11.50. Okay. This market will remain weak until such time. The market cannot break below $10, well, $11.09, or even $10.75. Now, don't expect the market in APXT to go higher until we see the market break $11.50. That is the biggest problem that we are having in the market in APXT moving higher. Okay. Now, next week, this week, the market may actually reinvite itself and we'll see the entrance of buyers to where the market will continue to show itself to hold support at around $11.10 to $11. That is something that we need to be on the lookout for, because the moment we see that, then we know that the market is going to reverse course and come back up and try to break $11.50 to the upside. All right. So let's do this real quick. Because the reason why I'm saying that is because the volume has been on a decrease substantially over the last couple of trading days, which lets me know that the market is losing those sellers who came into the market back here when the market was trading around $15 to $16 or so. This big area right there, we're losing that. So obviously, once that occurs, once the market becomes dry, then we'll see the market turn course and start going higher. All right. So let's do this real quick. We're still going to play the weakness, right? But again, the market is not extremely weak. Let me look at this real quick. Okay. The only way that this will go against our forecast is if we still see this market hold support right there around $11. That would be the only way. So we have $11.50 as restriction initially, but I'm going to bring it up here to $12.13. And like I told you, $10.50 could be the area to where we can see the market come in and try to touch or tap real quick, just like we did on this particular 15-hour price bar on March the 5th. Okay. So let me swing this back over to the daily. So right around there, $10.60. So let me zoom in and let me show you what I'm really getting. Like I said, initially restrictions around $11.50, but I'm trying to give us a cushion to allow the market to continue to work itself out. I'm not really seeing a massive movement to the downside though. All right. I think that the market is creating an area of support, right there around $11.10. I just don't see any indications of market strength right now. So it might actually come to fruition, throughout the rest of this week, and then this prediction will become null and void. But right now, until we see that enter, this is going to be how the market in APXT is going to trade. All right. So questions, comments, as always, let us know. I want to go ahead and give you all the ability to call the markets right alongside with us. So drop us a comment in the comment section and tell us where do you expect this particular price to go over the next 2 weeks. All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll see you all on the next one.